Hey, what's up, diecast lovers? Today is Saturday. I'm off, so it's time for pack hunting. Stay tuned. Alright, guys. So the first shop they be Homburg Games. So let's have a look what the car have here today. Some single cars. Dodge. Oh, looks, guys, it's an error. Smith painting. Looks nice. Not this time. And metal machine. Some cars. I have all of this. So nothing more. Team steers as well. 69p per car, but the quality, well, definitely worse. Is nothing more from the cars? Let's have a look. Okay, so we have some packs. Oh, 20 Hot Wheels, 18.99. Nothing special. Some sets. Nothing more. Some motorbikes. Do we have anything else? No. So that's it from the cars. Well, nothing special, but this Honda, they be nice error. So if someone interested, you can do is that, and we go for another store. See you soon. Nothing special, but this Honda, they be nice error. So if someone interested, you can do is that, and we go for another store. See you soon. So we got some 5 packs. A lot of 5 packs. Some 9 packs, so 10 packs. Some ultimate garage, track builders, Mario Kart stuff. Some trucks. Of course, monster trucks. Oh, we got Hot Wheels, 1 4 mile finals cars. So what we have on the set? Sienna, Dodge, Porsche, Lamborghini, and Bugatti Veyron. But we get only 1, 2, 3, only 3 cars from the series. This is sold out. Some mainline, but nothing interesting. Lovely car. It's really the casting. This car looks really amazing. Of course, some 5-packs, Mario, some from Cars, and again monster trucks and cars, so nothing more. Okay guys, so if you see, there's not many choice to find something interesting, but still hoping to find something interesting in next pack hunting. Today we don't find nothing, but maybe next time be better. Take care and see you in next video.
Let it go, make my body go. Take our bodies high.